This video will introduce you to the buttons and the functions of the toolbar of the main Pixie screen. The toolbar is located along the top part of your screen up here. The first button that you can use is New. If you click that, it will open a brand new document. As you can see, it looks the same. We haven't done any work on our canvas yet. The next button on the toolbar is Open. If you click that, it will open to the activities within Pixie, which is probably where you'd like to be. Sometimes it may default to your Documents folder. If that happens, just come over to the left and click Activities, or if there's anything else you'd like to work on over here. I'm going to click Cancel and continue with the toolbar. The next button is Save. When you click that, you'll see a Save Picture As window will pop up, and you can save the document as whatever you'd like to call it, and then you would click the blue button Save that's highlighted. Since I haven't done any work yet, I'm going to click Cancel. The next button is Print. When you click that, a window will open. Now, I don't have my computer hooked up to a printer, so I got an error message. However, you would have the option of clicking on whatever printer you'd like to use for your document. The next button is Export. We're not going to discuss that in this video or this tutorial because this is some higher level functions with working with images. Once you're an advanced user of Pixie, you could certainly explore that when you'd like to. The next button is Cut. Let me get something on the screen. Okay, so here's a text box. If you'd like to use the Cut function, you would click to select your object and then click Cut. It will disappear, but it's not gone. It's saved on your clipboard. So what you can do once something is cut is paste it somewhere else. So I'll skip over here, paste. There we go, cut and paste. The next button on our toolbar is Copy. This works in a similar way. You would click to select your object and then click Copy. Then come anywhere else on your screen and click Paste. And now we have two of them, and you can move it around wherever you would like. Now, if I want to get rid of something that I just did or delete my last action, I would come up to my next button on the toolbar, which is Undo, and you'll see a little pop-up that says Undo Changes. So if I'd like to get rid of the copy-paste I just did, I'll click Undo, and I'll click it again, and there we go. Okay, if you'd like to redo what you last did, either you made a mistake or you'd like to do it again, click Redo. And it will redo your last action. If you don't like what you've done with your document, another option up on the toolbar is to click Start Over. And as it shows you in the little pop-up, this will reset the picture. There we go, back to the beginning. I'm starting over. Talk and Share are advanced functions of the toolbar that are for advanced users of Pixie, so we won't be covering those in here. I hope that helps you understand a little bit more about the toolbar of Pixie.